I have done my engineering and masters and MBA. So I am a double degree holder right now, currently running two companies. Public speaking, and not just in a setup of a TED talk or a people of 100 to 150 audience, but having that authoritative speech or communication style, even in a small setup like boardroom, which might get very intense, is also one of the aspect that a leader should always portray. Otherwise, silencing yourself in a situation where it's highly important for you to speak up, that might change the certain level of direction in the organization, is absolutely necessary. So that is something which I was lagging back then. So is why I was researching on those kind of skills and what I can do, and that's how I came across Capable, to be frank. So that is when I started my own research, and again, falling back to YouTube or trying to figure out things on my own. But why Capable is because at certain point I felt, okay, there should be a structure for things that you want to build as a skill. If there is no structure, you might watch a video of somebody telling how you should stand while you're giving a speech, or where should you put your hands, or how you should present yourself physically. I believe that there should be a structure too when you're learning, and that's what Capable has brought into the program. And post program, that is what I will continue to do that. And I'm glad, I was able to figure out that there should be structure in my learning style and skills, and that is what I better respond to, and grabbing that opportunity from Capable. From day one, all the coaches also in Capable, or the sessions that we were doing, everybody told us one thing: see, as a leader, or with a certain level of qualification that you do have, no one is bad with communication. We have been using ethos pathos somewhere in life at some point, but we don't know that we've used that, or we don't know how better we could have used that in that situation, right? That's what Capable brings in, to internalize, okay, this is what I've been using, this is what is doing well, but if I add another format here, or maybe bring in something else here along with what I'm doing, it could land beautifully, or the reception from audience can be different.